Hey you guys, it's Host.Promo, and if you click the link down below, you will get a $20 free trial to Railway, which will give you up to 4 free months of hosting. And if you don't know what Host.Promo is, it's my website where you can find the best web hosting promotions. And you can see right here, I've partnered up with Railway to give you $20 in free credits. And if you aren't familiar with Railway, they're one of the fastest growing cloud infrastructure platforms out there right now, and they have so many features that developers love. They also make it super easy to deploy any app within just minutes. And you can see right here, they have over 1,500 templates that you can choose from. So you can get up pretty much any application within just a few minutes. One thing that makes Railway stick out against the competition is their pay per pricing for every single workload. And they also have very cheap packages, their hobby plan starting at just $5 a month in their pro plan starting at just $20 a month. And one thing that's really cool is if you go to their pricing page, you can actually upload a PDF of your current cloud hosting provider, and they'll show you exactly how much money you will save. I highly recommend you guys take advantage of this promotion. If you have any questions, leave it down below and make sure to check out Host.Promo if you want to find more web hosting promotions.